Hey guys, welcome back. It's Elite Gaming here. So today we'll be doing a pack opening. I know it's not a lot, but it's something. Hold on, I open these scrimmages real quick. Did not mean to do that. This is not the pack opening. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have 4 pro packs, 4 game time rewards, 1 collectible, 1 wheel of failure, 1 football outsider, 1 ghost pro pack, and a most feared scary good thing. Alright, let's go open these up because these are the things that are not really good at all. Yeah, like I said, not good at all. 100 coins there. 100 coins there. So I'm making my profit back a little bit, I guess. This thing, exchange pack, this gives you another collectible back. Yeah, there we go. Wheel of players. So it could give me anything between a bronze and a elite. Ooh, a 75 gold. Football outsider. 83. Most feared scary pack. 73. Pro pack. 75. Tight end. 81. Logan Ryan. Ooh, 83. Robert Quinn. Okay. It's the best player so far we pulled. 75 tight end. And the ghost one. Alright, so we pulling this. Okay. Hold up. About to go do some sets. Here we go. Gold Mosphere. Here we go. Ooh. That's cool. Now I'm going to do the silver one for a gold player. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, an 84 safety. That's nice. Back to back. Nice pulls. Okay, okay. Anything else exciting? Any more sets that we could do? Ooh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, it's only silver, so nothing exciting. Just add that to the set. I guess we'll just do another one of these also. 63 kick returner. That's probably it. Yeah, that's probably it. Well, if I sell some stuff, maybe. Oh, I need to call my team real quick. Man, those back-to-back pulls were nice, though. Alright, so... for the 80s, I'm definitely going to sell it for that prices. But for the 70s, I'm going to drop down a little bit. Silvers, 500. Any silver, that price. And I usually sell bronze for this price. Let's just put all these in here real quick. How much coins we got? Oh, yeah, we have enough for another pro pack. Alright. Let's open this real quick. Come on, elite, elite, elite. 82 Tony Romo. Yeah. That's probably it. Yeah, I'm just going to show you my team real quick as well. Alright, here's my offense. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's an 84 offense. My defense is 83. You saw I just pulled him today. And I also pulled him today. Back to best next pulled. Special teams is okay, I guess, besides the kicker. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Subscribe to Elite Gaming. Like, subscribe, and comment. If we could get 3 likes, I'll do another pack opening. Peace.